Guys, good morning, no? Ari ta subong sa sulod sang Don Felix Montinola Memorial College building. And today is January 24, and today is the schedule for the demolition of this great iconic building and landmark in Victoria City. It existed for 64 years since 1951 until 2015, and to pave the way for a new era in the life of this site in here in Victoria City. We are going, or the city, with the assistance of the city, this building will be demolished today. And this school has produced thousands of graduates, of successful graduates from Victoria City and its neighboring towns like Manapla and Ibi Magalona. Today is a very remarkable and historic day, but we would like to extend our gratitude and thanks to the Montinola family for contributing this achievement in the city of Victoria, and for the legacy that they have left behind in the pursuit and development of education in this great city of Victoria. So today we bid farewell, we say goodbye, and we express our gratitude to this great hall of the Don Felix Montinola Memorial College. And likewise, we would like to extend our gratitude to the Montinola and Fermin family for giving us this opportunity to get and receive education in Victoria City through the great halls of Don Felix Montinola Memorial College. So today, again, January 24, 2026, the halls of the great Don Felix Montinola Memorial College is signing off. Goodbye and God bless Don Felix, God bless the Montinola Fermin family, and with gratitude we thank them for their contribution to the city and its people. So again, good morning everyone.